Okay folks, this is our Labyrinth cushion. Looks very scary, but it is very easy, very easy. So easy I'm not even going to demonstrate now. All it is, it's made up of a couple of rectangles, squares and half square triangles. So if you look, this is this print and the dark. This is the twiggy print and the light, spotty and the light. So it's just the way they're put down that makes the difference. This is one square and this is another square. And now that says 1, 2, 3, 4 squares made up of half square triangles. We know how to do half square triangles, I hope. If not, you can look at the other demo, but if you look down here, Mark, you can see a little demo shows you exactly what you've got to do. Little pictures shows you exactly what you've got to do. Stay with me. Look at this. I thought these were really good pictures. I was very impressed. This shows you row by row exactly what to do. So make up your half square triangles. It tells you how many. Stay where you are. In the box, we've got small squares and larger squares. The larger squares are what you use for your half square triangle construction, and the smaller ones are the ones that go in between to make up the pattern. Okay, so get rid of that. So here tells you exactly what to do. We've made up our half square triangles. They're all sitting in front of us. So here it says row 1, 2 inch by 5 inch background, which is this piece, half square triangles, background and light, times 2. Join them together in that way that you've got to follow exactly what I do. Can you go to this row and I'll say that again? Yeah. So here we've got a square, a half square triangle and a half square triangle. These are the same look, they've just got to be turned round. So place them in front of you exactly as they look here. Okay, then as you join your rows, I've done you here where we've got the first 2 rows joined, so you can see the shape of the design coming. So this just shows the versatility of the half square triangle. That literally is it. So you keep going, follow all my beautiful pattern pictures, and this is half of your cushion. You do exactly the same again and then flip it over and put it on the bottom. Okay, half square triangles, half square triangles, half square triangles, square, half square triangles, and it's the way you put them down that gives you that interlocked shape of the cushion. And that's it really. I think it's very, do you get that, Mark?
Yes, that was perfectly explained, and I love the cushion. I think it's really nice.
I love the cushion, yeah. It's really lovely. I want to make a quilt using the block because I think...
Watch out, watch out.
I just think it would be lovely all over. So that's our Labyrinth cushion, and enjoy.